Lily Crowder. She plays the alto saxophone in our band, but she also dances hula and jumped at the opportunity to be able to dance with us. Miss Lily Crowder, everybody. Thank you, Lily. This next